we're very excited as Newbridge to partner with the municipality through this campaign called Public-Private Partnerships. So we have got 15 of municipality learners here at the campus, and they are studying higher certificates in business administration, which is level 5. The reason why we're doing that is to equip them with the know-how to run a business. We really believe that after this program, they will be astute business people. They will be able to run their businesses successfully and make money.
It's all bursary from eThekwini municipality ukuthi ngizofunda NGI business administration, of which ngisizile ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngi-implement ku-business lami i-Tumudane Deliveries, where I provide the service to abantu, whereby module marketing ngisizile ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi kumele ngi-market abantu ukuthi balazi i-business lami ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngenze i-profit.